What is up, everybody? Bill with Honest Open Permaculture Hop Farm. Today I want to show you how I like to make a little extra money around the Christmas time, or also just a great project to get the family around, have a little special family time, and make some things. But first off, I want to show you what has been taking up most of my time, why you haven't seen a lot of me lately, and let's go show you. Shh, I think he's sleeping. Let's go before he wakes up. So yeah, he's about 3 months old now, in between 2 or 3 months. That's what our time has been spent doing the past few months. That's why you haven't seen a lot of me. It's because we've been taking care of him. But today, we're going to show you how to make ornaments. Homemade ornaments with a tag. We process our own chickens here on the homestead, and sometimes they're egg-laying roosters, sometimes they're actual meat birds like the Cornish cross. When it's an egg-laying rooster, you can get some pretty colorful feathers off these guys. And in respect for the bird and the process of trying to use the whole bird, one of the way we use the feathers is by making ornaments. Now, you don't have to butcher your birds to get feathers. You can probably just go to the bottom of your coop and you can probably scoop up a ton of feathers from the bottom of your coop. So if you're vegan or if your chickens are pets, you don't have to kill your birds to make ornaments with their feathers. Just collect their feathers throughout the year, and when it comes Christmas time, use the feathers. Once you collect the feathers, I would definitely suggest washing them. Now, use something like a garment bag, a lingerie bag, something like that, something like so. Here's a bigger one, like so. You can take this straight from the plucker or straight from the feathers you pick up, put them in this bag, throw them straight in the washing machine. Wash them, throw them straight in the dryer, and you're good. You got clean feathers ready for you to go. This bag is completely full. This bag's almost full. And then we got another whole big trash bag right here full of clean feathers. So once you've got your feathers all washed, clean, and dried, then it's time to separate. Look what we got here. Woo, woo, woo. So we will separate each type of feather into a separate bag so it's easier to fill the ornaments with them. So we have barred rock ones, we have duck ones, we have white chicken ones, we have gray ones, we have, here's the barred rocks, a whole cornucopia of different type of feathers. You got them washed, you got them separated. Now the fun part. Take your, you can find these at Hobby Lobby, at, we have this place called the Christmas Tree Shop that's around here. Little knick-knack places. This is just a plastic ornament. You can get glass ones. If you're doing this with children, I would suggest the plastic ones. See, I'm just a big kid and I drop crap. If that was glass, it would have been shattered. But plastic is the way to go. They're a little bit cheaper. Yes, they have a slightly different look, and if you did buy the glass ones, you could probably get a little bit more in price-wise if you were selling these instead of just making it like a home project. Let me show you an example of a glass one. So I got two different glass ones here. This one is an iridescent one. If you look at it real close, it kind of looks oily almost, like a, you put oil in water, you get that kind of rainbowish kind of color. So here's an example of a glass one. And here is probably the favorite, probably the best seller, if you will. The white glass see-through. It's beautiful. And of course, with a little tag. Here's the plastic, here's glass. Almost hard to tell the difference. So now, let's stuff these things. The tops of these pop right off, so you can take this, boop, just like that. And then let's stuff the top. Let's do this one with Let's do white. That seems to be the best seller. So let's do a few more white ones. And you can do this any way you want. There's no right way, there's no wrong way. If you have one really pretty feather and you just want to put one really pretty feather and kind of just showcase that one pretty feather in here, absolutely. If you want to stuff 20 different colors in here so you have a rainbow colored one, absolutely. There's no wrong or right way to do it. Just what do you want to do for your personal preference? Now, if you're trying to sell them, there may be a wrong or right way to do it if you're trying to sell them. Simply because the purpose of selling something is to make a little bit of extra money. And if the things you make aren't selling because it's not what the people want, maybe you need to switch it up a little bit. I have found the white ones sell very well, so probably the best. The next ones would be the barred rock ones, which are, if you don't know what a barred rock chicken is, let's see. Oh, here we go. Here's a good example. See these black and white striped ones in here? That's what comes from the barred rock. They're black and white striped. Give me a few minutes. We are going to stuff these. Oh, I forgot an important tool. Un momento, por favor. My secret weapon. So when you get to stuffing, sometimes they just don't want to go in like this. I'll take a number 2 pencil and boop, shove it in. You can also, if you have a feather with a big quill at the end, you can use that. Stuff it in. I like to fill mine up pretty much completely. We do have some feathers saved, some really pretty feathers saved. That we're going to do something with. Not quite sure. I don't think we're going to turn them into ornaments. There's other options we can add value to these feathers by doing. But it would be really pretty just to have a beautiful feather just placed perfectly in a see-through clear plastic or glass ornament. Reflection off the lights from the tree. I think it would be really pretty. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys do with your feathers? I know a lot of people just like to make pillows or things like that with them. But is there any other things you like to do with your feathers? Let me know down in the comments. And I'm about 99% sure you can get these clear plastic or glass ornaments, your tags and your string from Amazon. I am going to put a link in the description for Amazon to go ahead and find everything you need to make your ornaments. Make sure you go down to the description and find that link. This should be the last one. You don't need a whole lot of them in there. You need to keep stuffing full. You can also use your number 2 pencil to kind of move stuff around into the gaps. And then you take your top, put your top back on. Like so. And then the tag time. See, we got these little tags here, and they say Hop Farm. That's probably backwards for you guys. Got a little string off of it, and we made these. Oh, someone's awake. Hold on a second. Let's go say hello. I want to introduce you to some people. Can we do that? Huh? Oh boy. Someone's awake. Oh, say hey, Bubba. Say hello. Huh? How was your nap? So this has been what's been gladly taking up all of my time. They say they don't stay like this forever, so I was definitely getting my time in. All right, Bubba, where are we at? Oh, we're talking about the tags. So we bought these little tags that are shaped like this. We bought the string, and then we made, well, Aaron made a little, that's probably backwards again, it says Hop Farm. It's a stamp. So we can stamp the the tags with our name. So that's how we made our tags. If you have a larger name than HOP, then you probably need a bigger tag or a smaller stamp. Either one. So once we get, boom, this is here. And boom, we're going to connect these to these. Real simple. Doesn't have to be anything complicated. Isn't that right, Bubba? You. Boop. Now, here it is. What you think, big guy? What, you want it? Oh, you want to get it? You want to go hang it on the tree? Oh, excuse you. Is that just a burp? Nothing come up with it? All right. Say hello, everybody. My name's Wesley. Oh, hi. Say hi. Oh, good job. You're saying hi. Look, he's got his Christmas onesie on. He's got his ho-hos on there, and the reindeers are on there. He's in the Christmas spirit right now, too. Yeah. Simple way to add a little value to your feathers, to respect your bird. If you do process your own birds, respect all of the bird, not just eating it and throwing away the rest, but actually using the stuff that you're going to throw away. Yes, the simple answer for using the feathers is compost them. Simple. Doesn't really add too much value besides a little nitrogen into your compost pile. But I think if you want to add some monetary value or some family value, where you can get a family around the table and actually make a project and everyone can make their own ornament or even make Christmas gifts for your family. Dutch, you come and say hi too? Dutches, you come say hi too, baby? Huh? Come say hi to everybody? Oh, you giving your boy some kisses? Oh, he doesn't like all them kisses. He loves you, but he doesn't want all them kisses. Sorry, boy. Back up, go. Go. Well, someone getting cranky from getting too many kisses.